Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I'm مرسين here. Today we are visiting a beautiful villa here. Now we are in Akşabát at Mersin region. I would like to present you a beautiful independent detached totally private villa which is containing 4 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 1 living room and 1 kitchen over 1,200 square meters land size in the total. As you can see, this is our villa. It is looking very nice, really very beautiful. Now let's begin our tour together. Right now we are getting into villa's garden. As you can see, very beautiful, very nice. A villa is available here. Let's begin from here. There is a garden entrance main door, and if you want you can park your car outside. If you want you can park inside of the garden. This is available, and you have a lot of fruit inside of your garden. Apple, plum, cherry, grape are available inside of your garden. As we came next to villa, as you can see, there is a quite large green area here. It's looking really very beautiful, very nice. You can feel inside of your garden very happy. I think this garden's square meters is 120 square meters land size, and you have a beautiful shake. And as you can see, sitting area once, and you have another sitting area. It's looking very nice, very good. If you want, you have your breakfast, your dinner in your garden. You can put your dinner table here, and you have very fine time with your family by yourself. Look at the fruit. It's looking very nice, very beautiful, very amazing. Even from here you have a very beautiful panoramic sea view. In the garden you feel like you are in the middle of the green island. Really very nice, very pretty a villa. Let's go on. Now we are located in front of the villa. As you can see, in this section you have a large area. You can put your chair or your sofa in here, and you can watch the sea view. At the same time, you have a large, very huge garden in front of your villa. You can grow your vegetable here. For example, potato, tomato and cherry or another vegetable you can grow in here. Really very nice, very beautiful, a living space. Now we came in front of the villa. Now we came inside of the villa. As you walk into villa, there is a entree is welcoming us. On the right side you have kitchen. On the left side we have living room. Let's keep continue from the living room. This is our living room. As you can see, very spacious, and there are a lot of daylight coming from the outside to inside of your living room. Look at the suspended ceiling. You have spot lamp. The suspended ceiling has been completed and the wall is very clean. Right over here there is a door for exiting inside of the garden, and you have very beautiful sea view, panoramic sea view and nature view. Really, this location is very beautiful. Let's keep continue. Right over here we have a kitchen. As you can see, it is very clean, very quality. You have kitchen cabinet and you have a lot of storage area. The countertop is looking very nice. The color is really very good, and it is strong against the water. Intersection for your oven, for your refrigerator. You can put your dinner table here for 6 persons. Really very nice, very quality kitchen. Right over here you have a WC. Let's keep continue. We are going to second floor. As you can see, we are going to with staircase. Its color is white and its looking is very beautiful. As you reach to second floor, you have 4 bedroom, 2 bedroom intersection, left section, 2 bedroom on the right section. As you can see, we have a bedroom here, first bedroom, normal size a bedroom. You have another bedroom right next to this bedroom, and you can look from your windows to nature. Right over here we have a bathroom, main bathroom, very large, very useful, and you have a sink with cabinet, shower cabin, WC are available here. This is master bedroom. The master bedroom square meters is approximately 15 square meters. You have a bed here. You have a windows, roll blind in here available. From the master room we are going to balcony. As you walk into balcony, you have a very beautiful, very nice, very amazing panoramic sea view. The balcony is very long. You have 2 doors to exit the balcony, and as you can see, your garden is in front of you. It is very beautiful. Let's go on from the master room to another bedroom. Here you have another bedroom As you can see, the size is very good, very useful. If you want, you can use reading room or guest room or study room about this bedroom. And also we have a door for exit to balcony. At the same time, you have a beautiful sea view and nature view from this bedroom and your balcony. I want to mention that you can see it in relaxed mood. No one can see you from the outside. For another video, this is very important for your family. If you want, you have your breakfast, your dinner on your balcony to opposite the sea. Very nice, very beautiful villa. This villa is located really very nice, very beautiful location. It is so close to highway and seaside. You have private beach and government beach inside of this section. These are very close to this villa. At the same time, it is 20 kilometers center of the Trabzon, 10 kilometers center of the Akşabat, and 23 kilometers to airport. Today we offered a beautiful villa for you. See you another time for another video. All the best.